So I make over 10K per month from writing blogs online without any agency, without any marketing or any fancy brand or any viral, views around it. So I'm not even begging for clients. So let me break down exactly how you can do it too. And don't worry, I was also a beginner. I started writing just for a way to, for me to recap it. So started freelancing in college, a bit background about me. And then I started doing small brand gigs, writing for them. And then my Medium post took off, like when I talked in a way that I can talk about. And then I landed a few on-bound leads, like they only contacted me and I was just posting constantly about it. It has been a journey of, constantly showing up. So my typical breakdown is around 6 to 7K from Medium partner program, and then 3 to 4 from monthly from paying clients such as, content strategy, SEO optimization or something like that. People who are reaching out to me for lead generation. So, and even newsletter writing is also trending. So that one also. And also sometimes some paid threads and also ghost writing. So these can also, getting payment from that. So keeps on varying. What made it work actually? Because you must be thinking like a lot of you guys already are writing. So you have to write with clarity, not compact. You are trying to make it compact and trying to make it sometimes very large. And using ChatGPT, I know it happens like that. So you have to write with clarity, like you are talking to someone. Niching down, like you have to niche down to data, tech, or productivity or something like that. And then you have to offer outcome, not just words that you are telling to the clients or anyone. And you have to share social proof like LinkedIn, X, Twitter, or whatever you want to say. And you have to actually have a playbook for it. Like I'll tell you guys, so playbook is to write constantly, like, constant for more than 2 times a week. And then focus on helpful content, like which will actually encourage more people to see it. And you have to repurpose it around various platform. Like if you write a blog, you can also make a YouTube video for it. And build a one-page template, can be on Notion or Topmate or any kind of thing, or any Google Doc, anything. And you position yourself like a creator, not a writer. To get started, I want to learn how to do it. I have made and built something for you. I'll help you to start writing on it and how to package your service and also how to get your first client and, monetize your blog so that you can constantly earn some passive income. You will also have some template. It will have some writing formats and offered copies that you can send to client and everything that I use. So you don't need 10 clients or 10K followers. That's basically a lot of people thinking about that thing. You just need one good offer and clear writing, like you know what you are writing. You're not trying to distinguish into particular things. You're just trying to tell one single thing. And links are in description. So if you want to buy how to, actually do these writing things, I'll have an offer in the description. You can just enroll in it and get started with me. I'll teach you that and send you over the content for it. So let's start. Let's make, writing your income skill. And also I'll just show you guys right now for even for 3-4 days how much I have earned from Medium just for a social proof. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.